The IT BIOS Content Management System Editor. Firstly, most of what we will talk about is available in the Help section on the left-hand menu. Let's begin by inserting text into the content area. To insert a line break, press Shift plus Enter. To insert a new paragraph, press Enter. Next is inserting style. Your web developer will have set up the design and matching text styles for your site. To keep your site looking professional, you need to use the same headings and text on all of your pages. The Style drop-down box helps you to keep this professional look by matching the headings and fonts. Simply select the text and choose the correct option. To remove a style, select the text, click on the Style box, and click on the arrow in front of the style recognised. Let's start by going through the menu from top left to right. Source. By clicking on Source, you can display page content of HTML. Save saves the page. This can also be done by clicking on the Save button above. You can ignore the next two. You then have your standard functions, cut, copy and paste. Following on from these icons is Paste as plain text and Paste from Word. Paste inserts the most recently cut or copied text and graphics at the current cursor location. Paste as plain text is an important feature. It pastes the contents of the clipboard as plain text without inheriting original formatting from Word or a web page. That is, all HTML tags, including images, are not pasted. This button is helpful when you want to eliminate the HTML formatting of the text being copied. Paste from Word pastes the saved contents from Word into the document. This should be used sparingly in favour of paste text, to be followed by applying the individual styles as discussed earlier. Print prints the editor content. Spell begins spell checker. Whilst this is a feature, I usually recommend creating your content in Word and cutting and pasting it over as plain text and let Word do the spell checking. In addition, it should be mentioned that there is a security timeout of 30 minutes of inaction, so it is wise to save your page every 30 minutes. Undo reverses the most recent action as if it never occurred. That said, the Cancel button above is most probably the one you will use most. It cancels the page and doesn't save unwanted changes. This is always a great out if you have made a mistake. Redo reverses the undo action. Find launches the search dialog box. The dialog searches for specified text. Replace launches the replace dialog box. The dialog lets you replace text that you have selected. Select all selects all editor content. Bold makes the text bold. Italic makes the text italic. Underline makes the text underlined. Strike through makes the text strike through. Subscript makes the text subscript. Superscript makes the text superscript. Insert numbered list. This inserts a numbered list and applies automatic numbering as you create your list. Bullet inserts a bulleted list so that as you type your list, bullets are automatically applied. Tip: when inserting number or bullet formatting, it is often better to bring the line you are proposing to number bullet up in line with the previous line and then press Enter, and then apply the number or bullet. Indent decrease decreases the current line's distance from the left margin. Indent increase increases the current line's distance from the left margin. Left align aligns paragraph so that it is arranged evenly on the left side, uneven on the right. Centre align aligns paragraph so that it is arranged in the centre of each line. Right align aligns paragraph so that it is arranged evenly on the right side, uneven on the left. Justify aligns paragraph so that it is arranged evenly on right and left side. Edit hyperlink changes information about a hyperlink. Highlight the text you wish to make into a link. Click on the Insert Edit Link icon, type into the URL field and press OK. That said, when linking to a third-party website, I usually recommend that you link to that site in a pop-up window. That way you do not lose navigation from your own site. We will go back to the link we have just created by clicking on the highlighted text then the Insert Edit Link icon. Click on the tab at the top called Target and select Pop-up Window from the drop-down. I recommend a width of 700 and a height of 600. Select OK. Finally, there is one other option, and that is linking to one of your own documents. To do this, we will have to upload the document from your local PC onto the server. Firstly, highlight the text you wish to link to and click on the Insert Edit Link icon. In the Link dialog box, click on Browse Server button. You will now see the images and documents on the server. To choose a server document, from the Resource Type drop-down, choose Documents. This will give you a view of documents on the server. Before you can upload your document, it is a good idea to create a new folder in which to store it. Do this by clicking on Create New Folder. At the bottom of the window, type the name of the new folder and click OK. Then click into that folder. Next step, upload the relevant document. Click on the Browse button at the bottom of the window. Select the document from your PC by double-clicking on the document name, then click on Upload at the bottom of the window. The document is now uploaded to the server. Select the document by clicking on it. A Link Web Page dialog window will appear. Select Target. Select Pop-up Window. I recommend a width of 700 and a height of 600. Select OK. Remove Hyperlink removes a hyperlink. Anchor creates an anchored bookmark. Insert Edit Image. This enables you to upload an image from your local PC onto the server. To insert an image into your content, place your cursor where you wish the image to appear and click on the Image button to display the Image Properties dialog box. Click on the Browse Server button. From the Resource Type drop-down, choose Images. It shows images by default. This will give you a view of images on the server. Before you can upload your image, it is a good idea to create a new folder in which to store it. Do this by clicking on Create New Folder at the bottom of the window. Type the name of the new folder and click OK. Then click into that folder. By the way, it is always a good idea to right-size and optimize the image before uploading it. This can be done by using your own image editing software, or alternatively, consider using Google's free Picasa software. The process to upload an image is as follows. Click on the Browse button at the bottom of the window. Select the image from your PC by double-clicking on the image name, then click on Upload at the bottom of the window. The image is now uploaded to the server. Select the image by clicking on it. The Image Properties dialog box appears. Here you can enter alternative text, which will appear on a mouse over or text-only browsing. You can also change the image's width, height, add a border, add horizontal space and vertical space. You also have a choice of aligning the picture left, absolute bottom, absolute middle, baseline, bottom, middle, right, text top and top. Flash inserts a flash object. Table inserts or edits a table. To insert a table into your content, place your cursor where you would like the table to appear and click on the Table button to display the Table Properties dialog box. Choose the number of rows and columns you require. The width and height can be a percentage or exact pixels. You can add a border and set the alignment to left, centre or right. You can change the cell spacing, the space between cells, the cell padding, the space between a cell's border and content, or add a caption, a heading for the table. After creating the table, you can change the table properties or cell properties by selecting one or a number of cells inside the table and clicking the right mouse button to display the submenu choices. To delete, copy or paste a table, right-click anywhere in the table and select Required option. Horizontal line inserts a horizontal line. Smiley inserts a smiley character. Special characters inserts a special character or symbol. Universal keyboard inserts different language characters. Next on the toolbar is Style. We did that earlier. Format changes the format of the selected text. Font changes the font face. Size changes the font size. I would encourage you to use Style as opposed to Format, Font or Size, as Style maintains consistency throughout the site. Text colour changes the colour of the selected text. Background changes the background colour of the selection.